everybody. So today here am I very excited to show you our latest collection of Kantha sarees. So you all have been asking what is the new collection about. So I have been posting few videos about how those were made. So I'd like to showcase the collection now. Okay. So as you can see, this is the first piece from our collection. The Kantha embroidery is done on cotton sarees. So these are Khadi by cotton sarees, very comfortable and very good quality cotton. So you can see over here, this is the pallu and this is the body. Gorgeous denim blue color. This is all handwork. So although there will be other sarees with similar design, you won't get the exact same piece. The designs keep changing as per the saree. So let me show you another one. I had posted this video. This saree showcases Lord Jagannath being embroidered. So this is the pallu. Very beautiful, isn't it? And this saree has a half saree. So this will have shankh on its pleats. So the body has two motifs. The next one which I had posted a video of being made was this queen bee saree, a beautiful green, and it has honey bee motifs, queen bee motifs. This is the pallu. It's a very cute motif and a very beautiful design. You can see the honey bee and it also has a crown on its head. This is the pallu and this is the body. So all these sarees do have running blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can either use one of these blouse pieces or you can opt for a contrast blouse piece. We also have Kantha embroidered blouse pieces. I will be posting pictures along with the saree of a suitable Kantha blouse piece. So you can order it as a pair as well. This is a lotus work Kantha embroidery saree. I hope you all love this design. This is the pallu and this is the body. So this is a very elegant design. It doesn't have all over border. The lotuses are on border itself. The body is plain and this is the blouse piece. I think fish motifs are favorite with everybody. I don't think anybody would say that they don't like fish motifs on saree, because fish motifs with Kantha embroidery look absolutely the cutest. So this gorgeous bright yellow saree and it has the red colored fish Kantha embroidery. The embroidery is all over the saree. This is the blouse piece. This one is very much similar to this, the queen bee motifs along with flowers. This is the pallu and this is the body. So body has floral motifs and this is the blouse piece. Another one which has very cute fish motifs is this maroon colored kantha sari. The fish motifs are multicolored, yellow, blue and white. They look very cute. So if you would like to see the fabric up close, I would like to show you here. Very good quality, soft cotton. These sarees are completely washable. First wash we recommend with salt. After that you can hand wash at home with cold water and a mild detergent. This is another one in the lotus design. This is the pallu. It is lined by running kantha stitch and this is the body. Do let me know which color do you like the best. This is a very different piece inspired by our logo. The pallu also has mandala. This is the pallu with beautiful mandala embroidery. And the body has these motifs. Gundu. Gorgeous design, isn't it? These motifs are completely inspired by our artist. She is the designer behind these motifs. This is a very elegant piece in fish motifs. And this is the body. This is the blouse piece. Another gorgeous yellow color with multicolored floral motifs. This is a sari which will never go out of style. I hope you like these saris. There are few more which I would like to show you today, and there are many more which I will be showcasing through pictures in the upcoming weeks. So this is one gorgeous white with multicolored floral motifs. This central part has a floral butti and the body has these multicolored leaf motifs. This is another very cute design. So this has a skirt border like this and star buttis all over the body, and this is the pallu. Very cute saree, and you can pair these up with running blouse piece, or you can choose any contrast blouse piece and it will look stunning. So this is one very beautiful color. This is the pallu. It again has the queen bee motifs and floral motifs. So this is the body and on the front you again have these floral motifs in the center. surrounded by the queen bee motif. Another Kantha sari which is very quintessential Bengali for its shank and fish motifs. White and multicolored embroidery. It looks very cute. If you see close up of this shank, the colors look absolutely stunning. And again, you can pair this up with any running blouse piece or a contrast one. So the last one, this is my personal favorite because it has dolphins and I love dolphins and my son is currently obsessed with dolphins. So this is a very close to my heart. This has dolphins all over the sari in multicolors. This is the body and this here is the pallu. This is the blouse piece. So all these sarees are available for INR 2000 plus shipping charges. If you like any of these sarees, please let me know. I'll also be posting pictures so you can get a good idea about how they look after they're draped. So thank you very much and do let me know what do you think. Thank you.
राईटला वरती क्लोज बटन थोडं